So I got this wok a little while ago. I'm going to season it and then cook some fried rice. So we're just going to heat this up until it turns blue and then wipe it with some oil. Well, that smoke's just burning off the factory coating. You can see it's starting to change colour. I'm just going to put some neutral oil in. I'm just using vegetable oil. Just stir it. That's about covered in oil. I'm going to tip this out. Switch the heat on. Going to use some pure sesame oil. Got white rice that I made yesterday. Trying to break up all those bits of rice. Now I'm going to go in with a few eggs. Got the white bits for our green onions. Some fermented shrimp paste, some red chilli, the rest of our green onion, some soy sauce, oyster sauce, some garlic and ginger, a little bit more soy sauce, and that is my first wok fried rice. Let me know what you think.